Adding a debit card to your Ally Bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly complete the task. Step 1. Log into your Ally Bank account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option in the menu. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Debit Cards. Click on this option to manage your debit card information. Step 4. Add a new debit card. Look for the option to add a debit card or link new card. Enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your debit card details, review the information for accuracy. Then confirm or save to finalize the addition of your debit card to your account. Now you have successfully added a debit card to your Ally Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Bank's customer support for assistance.